Hello my friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikolai Ninov, and I am a certified food expert and pharmacist. In this video, I am talking about beta-alanine. If you're looking to enhance your exercise performance, improve muscle endurance, or even boost your overall health, then this is the video for you. Let's get started. So, what exactly is beta-alanine? It's a non-proteinogenic and non-essential amino acid that our liver produces naturally. Non-proteinogenic amino acids are not naturally encoded in the human genetic code or found in polypeptide chains. On the other hand, in organisms such as bacteria, fungi, plants, and marines, non-proteinogenic amino acids are essential building blocks of polypeptide chains. Beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid that has been shown to have several benefits for athletes and individuals engaged in high-intensity exercise. When you consume beta-alanine, it is absorbed into the bloodstream and taken up by muscle cells. Inside the muscle cells, beta-alanine combines with the amino acid histidine to form the dipeptide known as carnosine. It needs a little help from an enzyme called carnosine synthetase to form. Beta-alanine works by binding with histidine in both the brain and the muscles. Beta-alanine is the limiting factor for carnosine synthesis. In your muscles, histidine is abundant, while beta-alanine levels are comparatively low. This means that maximum amounts of carnosine cannot be formed unless you can somehow increase muscle beta-alanine content. Using beta-alanine supplements helps to enhance carnosine levels in the body by up to 80%. By increasing carnosine levels, beta-alanine can enhance the muscle's ability to buffer acid and delay fatigue. The mechanism of action of beta-alanine is related to its role in increasing carnosine levels. Carnosine is primarily stored in the muscles, especially in the fast-twitch muscle fibers, and released during exercise to help maintain pH balance. Carnosine acts as an intracellular buffer, helping to regulate the pH in muscle cells. During high-intensity exercise, the production of lactic acid increases, leading to a decrease in pH and the onset of fatigue. By increasing carnosine levels, beta-alanine helps to counteract the decrease in pH and delay the onset of fatigue. Another benefit of beta-alanine is its potential to enhance muscle strength and power. Studies have shown that supplementing with beta-alanine can lead to improvements in muscular endurance, allowing individuals to perform more repetitions or sustain higher intensity exercise for longer periods of time. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes involved in sports that require repeated bursts of high-intensity activity, such as sprinting or weightlifting. Beta-alanine supplementation has been shown to improve performance during high-intensity exercises lasting from 1 to 10 minutes. In addition to its effects on muscle performance, beta-alanine has also been found to have positive impacts on body composition. Research suggests that beta-alanine supplementation can help increase lean body mass and reduce body fat percentages. This may be due to its ability to enhance exercise capacity and promote greater calorie expenditure during workouts. But that's not all. Carnosine also has antioxidant effects and may have anti-aging and neurological benefits. Carnosine's antioxidant properties can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. This is particularly important for athletes who engage in intense training, as exercise-induced oxidative stress can lead to muscle damage and impair recovery. By reducing oxidative stress, beta-alanine may aid in the repair and regeneration of muscle tissue. Lastly, beta-alanine has also been linked to improved cognitive function. Some studies suggest that beta-alanine supplementation may enhance mental focus and reduce feelings of fatigue during exercise. This can be beneficial for athletes who need to maintain concentration and mental sharpness during training or competition. What are the natural sources of beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is a non-essential amino acid, which means it can be produced by the body. It can be obtained from various natural dietary sources. One of the primary sources of beta-alanine is through the consumption of foods that contain carnosine, a dipeptide that is broken down into beta-alanine and histidine in the body. Carnosine-rich foods include meat, particularly beef and pork, as well as poultry and fish. So, if you're looking to increase your beta-alanine intake naturally, incorporating these animal-based protein sources into your diet can be beneficial. In addition to animal-based protein sources, beta-alanine can also be found in certain plant-based foods. Plant-based sources of beta-alanine include certain types of mushrooms, such as shiitake and oyster mushrooms. These mushrooms are not only delicious but also provide a natural source of beta-alanine. So, if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, incorporating these mushrooms into your meals can help increase your beta-alanine intake. Furthermore, beta-alanine can also be obtained from certain algae species. Specifically, the blue-green algae called spirulina is known to contain beta-alanine. Spirulina is a nutrient-dense superfood that is often consumed in the form of supplements or added to smoothies and juices. By including spirulina in your diet, you can not only benefit from its numerous health-promoting properties, but also increase your intake of beta-alanine naturally. How much beta-alanine should you take? The recommended dosage of beta-alanine varies, depending on individual factors such as body weight, tolerance, and desired effects. However, a common dosage range is between 2 and 6 grams per day. It is generally recommended to start with a lower dosage and gradually increase it to assess your tolerance and minimize the risk of side effects. It is important to note that beta-alanine is typically taken in divided doses throughout the day to maintain consistent levels in the body. When it comes to timing beta-alanine supplementation, it is recommended to take it consistently over a period of time rather than just before a workout. This is because beta-alanine works by gradually increasing carnosine levels in the muscles. Studies have shown that it takes several weeks of consistent supplementation to fully saturate your muscles with carnosine. Therefore, it's recommended to take beta-alanine for a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks to experience its full benefits, and it has been used safely for up to 12 weeks. After this initial loading phase, you can continue with a lower maintenance dose to maintain the elevated carnosine levels. After the carnosine levels in your muscles have increased, you may start to experience the benefits. These benefits can include improved muscular endurance, reduced fatigue during high-intensity exercise, and enhanced exercise performance. Research has shown that beta-alanine supplementation can be particularly beneficial for high-intensity, short-duration activities that rely on anaerobic metabolism, such as sprinting, weightlifting, and HIIT workouts. It may also enhance performance in sports that involve repeated bouts of intense exercise, like soccer or basketball. By reducing muscle fatigue and increasing endurance, beta-alanine can potentially lead to improved athletic performance in these types of activities. Does beta-alanine have any impact on cognitive function? As we already know, beta-alanine primarily functions as a precursor to carnosine, a dipeptide found in high concentrations in the brain. Carnosine has been shown to have neuroprotective properties and may play a role in cognitive function. However, direct research on the impact of beta-alanine supplementation on cognitive function is limited. While some studies suggest a potential benefit, more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between beta-alanine and cognitive function. Several animal studies have shown that carnosine may have a positive impact on cognitive function. These studies have demonstrated improvements in memory, learning, and attention tasks in animals supplemented with carnosine. However, it is important to note that animal studies do not always directly translate to human results. Human studies investigating the effects of beta-alanine on cognitive function are scarce. One study conducted on healthy older adults found that beta-alanine supplementation improved cognitive function, specifically in tasks related to executive function. Another study on young adults found no significant effects on cognitive function after beta-alanine supplementation. These limited findings suggest that the impact of beta-alanine on cognitive function may vary depending on factors such as age and baseline cognitive abilities. While the current evidence is promising, it is important to approach the potential cognitive benefits of beta-alanine with caution. More research is needed to establish a clear link between beta-alanine supplementation and cognitive function. The antioxidant effects of beta-alanine. Beta-alanine isn't simply a tool to enhance your physical strength or endurance. This powerful amino acid also has a hidden superpower: potent antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are substances that help protect the body against the damaging effects of free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and damage to cells. Beta-alanine has been shown to increase the levels of certain antioxidants in the body, such as glutathione and superoxide dismutase, which can help reduce oxidative stress and promote overall health. Research has suggested that beta-alanine supplementation may help enhance the body's antioxidant defenses. One study found that taking beta-alanine for 28 days significantly increased the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the blood. Another study reported that beta-alanine supplementation increased the levels of glutathione, a powerful antioxidant, in the muscles of athletes. These findings suggest that beta-alanine may play a role in protecting against oxidative damage and supporting the body's antioxidant system. It is important to note that while beta-alanine has shown potential antioxidant properties, more research is needed to fully understand its effects and mechanisms of action. The specific dosage and duration of supplementation required to achieve antioxidant benefits are still being investigated. Can beta-alanine help with weight loss? Beta-alanine is primarily known for its role in enhancing athletic performance and improving exercise capacity. While it may indirectly support weight loss by increasing exercise intensity and endurance, there is limited evidence to suggest that beta-alanine directly promotes weight loss. Its main mechanism of action is through its ability to increase muscle carnosine levels, which helps buffer acid buildup during high-intensity exercise. This can lead to improved performance and, potentially, increased calorie burn during workouts. However, it's important to note that weight loss is a complex process that involves a combination of factors such as diet, exercise, and overall calorie balance. Beta-alanine alone is unlikely to have a significant impact on weight loss without a comprehensive approach. In terms of its potential effects on weight loss, beta-alanine may indirectly support weight management by improving exercise performance. By increasing muscle carnosine levels, beta-alanine can delay the onset of fatigue and allow individuals to exercise at a higher intensity and for longer durations. This can result in a greater calorie burn during workouts, which may contribute to weight loss over time. However, it's important to remember that weight loss is not solely dependent on exercise. A balanced diet, calorie control, and overall lifestyle factors also play crucial roles in achieving and maintaining a healthy weight. The synergy of beta-alanine with other supplements. Truly, the beauty of beta-alanine lies in its interactive benefits. When used alongside other supplements, it can provide even more advantages for your health and fitness goals. So, let's delve into this combination and how you can maximize your gains. Combining beta-alanine with creatine. If you're into fitness, you've most likely heard of creatine. What you might not know is its synergistic relationship with beta-alanine. Together, they make one super duo for muscle mass building. Research shows these two supplements can significantly improve your lean body mass and performance in high-intensity activities. So if you're looking to push your bodybuilding or sports performance to the next level, consider this power combo. Beta-alanine and sodium bicarbonate. Another useful pairing is beta-alanine with sodium bicarbonate, commonly known as baking soda. Sodium bicarbonate is known for its ability to act as a buffer, reducing acidity in the muscles during intensive exercise. Similar to the role of beta-alanine, this buffering effect helps delay muscle exhaustion. Pairing these two supplements can lead to longer and harder workouts, giving you the edge in endurance sports. Combining beta-alanine with hydroxymethylbutyrate, HMB. Hydroxymethylbutyrate is a product of the amino acid leucine, which aids in preventing muscle protein breakdown. Combining HMB with beta-alanine may boost endurance and strength while speeding up recovery. Of course, it's important to remember that everyone's body behaves differently. So while these combinations have been shown to offer certain benefits, it's worth consulting with a health professional before starting a new supplement regimen. In conclusion, beta-alanine is a versatile supplement that can be used in conjunction with other supplements to enhance your performance, recovery, and overall health. As with all supplements, remember the golden rule: moderation is key. It's always best to start slow and understand your body's reaction before increasing your dosage. What are the potential side effects of beta-alanine? Beta-alanine is generally considered safe for most people when taken in appropriate doses. However, some individuals may experience certain side effects. One of the most common side effects of beta-alanine supplementation is a tingling sensation, or paresthesia. This sensation, often described as a mild prickling or itching feeling, typically occurs in the face, neck, or extremities. It is temporary and usually subsides within 60 to 90 minutes after consumption. While this tingling sensation may be uncomfortable for some, it is not harmful and does not pose any significant health risks. To minimize the risk of paresthesia, it is recommended to divide the daily dosage of beta-alanine into smaller doses throughout the day. In rare cases, individuals may experience more severe paresthesia or allergic reactions to beta-alanine. If you develop a rash, hives, difficulty breathing, or swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat after taking beta-alanine, it is important to seek immediate medical attention. These symptoms may indicate an allergic reaction, and it is crucial to discontinue the use of beta-alanine and consult a healthcare professional. Another potential side effect of beta-alanine supplementation is gastrointestinal distress. Some individuals may experience symptoms such as stomach discomfort, nausea, or diarrhea. These side effects are generally mild and temporary, and they can often be minimized by taking beta-alanine with food or dividing the daily dosage into smaller, more frequent doses throughout the day. It is worth noting that beta-alanine may interact with certain medications, such as anti-diabetic drugs, some heart medications, and drugs for erectile dysfunction. If you have any pre-existing medical conditions or are taking medications, it is advisable to consult with a healthcare professional before starting beta-alanine supplementation. They can provide personalized guidance and ensure that beta-alanine is safe for you to use. Thank you for watching. I've uncovered the power of beta-alanine, its incredible benefits, optimal dosages, and safety considerations. Now it's your turn to take action and unleash your full potential. Whether you're a weightlifter, runner, or just an everyday fitness enthusiast, beta-alanine might be the secret ingredient you've been missing. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and informative. If you haven't done so already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips. Until next time.